Okay, here's this short little sugya. Tanya, the Breita. This is all a single Breita. So, but we are going to divide it into the pieces of Rabbi Shimon's argument. Right. What we have here is Rabbi Shimon says, "Bedinhu shetehei bat ruya liot keben tzur." It would be logical that a bat would be eligible for Ben Tzur. In other words, logic would dictate the opposite of the rulings on the Mishnah. She, that means that. But here, it really stands for either in that or because. In that, hakol mitzuyun etzla b'avera. This is a tricky phrase. We'll come back to it. But this is the explanation. He begins with logically, girls should be eligible for this reason. Ella, but, however, Gzerat HaKatuvi, it is, the HaKatuv is the Torah, it's a decree of the Torah. Ben Vilobat. The decree of the Torah is, girls are not eligible. So, logically, girls should be, ought to be, for this reason, but they are not because Gzerat HaKatuv is a decree of the Torah. Now, right, oops, so this is known as the Hava Amina. Hava Amina, what I would have said. Hava Amina is an idea that is presented by the Gemara as you might have thought X, so this other text comes to teach you not X, right? It's the setup. The words that for Hava Aminas, like Bedinhu, are intentionally telling you, here's something that you would have thought that would seem right, but I'm telling you now, isn't. Right? By logic, girls ought to be eligible. That's our Hava Amina. She, in that, this is our reason. Ella, but that's our sort of rejection of the Hava Amina. Now, what does this mean? Hakol, all or many, are mitsuyin etzla, are found with her, or matsui is sort of commonly found, right? Ba'avera. Avera is a word you need to know. Avar, to cross over, but in this case, to cross the law, to sin, to transgress. Many are found with her in sin. We will clarify this more in class, looking at the Rashi's explanation. But for now, I'm going to leave it at that translation. By logic, she ought to be eligible. In that, many other people are found with her in sin, presumably meaning she is leading them or causing them to sin. But it's a decree of the Torah, ben lobat. Right? This we know is not a quote from the Torah. This is a midrash, but this midrash is treated as if Torah said it explicitly. The Torah says ben, which means lobat. Gzerat HaKatuv is a phrase that is used to indicate this is just the Torah says it, so we accept it. Obviously, we do not take that approach to all things that the Torah says. There are certain things we question, we ask for reasons and explanations, we challenge or explore. Some things we simply say, Gzerat HaKatuv, that was the Torah's command. We don't question it. So we give a reason why you might have thought otherwise. We do not give, Rabbi Shimon does not give a logical reason why girls are excluded. Right? That he leaves to, it's because the Torah said so, so we don't question it.